So first of all, let's look at a complete groove that can be played with a conga player. So we don't want to play the conga melody, that's already been covered by the conga player. So instead, we want to fill out the sounds created by the timbales or the maracas, okay? So we're going to play either the hi-hat pattern that we learned or the snare drum pattern that we learnt. And in our feet, we can, with the bass drum, outline a rhythm that's similar to a rhythm the bass player would play in a bolero song. So sort of like a bum, 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 bum. Like a tumbao would be fine, but maybe playing beat one slightly more. And in the left foot, we could either keep like a steady, solid pulse, playing quarter notes, or half notes, or we could be more free with that and we can add hi-hat splashes. It depends on what sort of situation you're playing in, but I think hi-hat splashes when you're playing a really chilled out bolero often sound really, really nice. One final thing to consider, and I'm going to demonstrate this now, is to make the snare drum sound even more like a set of maracas, playing brushes might be a really nice idea. You're playing a ballad. Brushes have a really soft, sort of sensitive articulation on the drum. So brushes will suit a bolero really, really nicely. So we're going to play the maraca rhythm on the snare drum with brushes. We're going to be quite free with the left foot and just occasionally add splashes by digging the heel into the pedal. And in the bass drum, we're going to outline a rhythm that the bass player would play in a bolero song. Over this, we'll have a conga player playing the famous, or the most traditional conga pattern. Let's check this out.